Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find and use the trending Wes Anderson template in CapCut. So the first thing that you need to do is click on a template tab on CapCut, and then just click on the search column and type in the keyword Wes Anderson template. Okay, so after this, CapCut will show you some of the Wes Anderson template that you can freely use. You can just choose which one that you want to use on the template. So for example, I'm going to just use the first one. Click on the use template and then just choose or select your videos. After you finish choosing the videos, click on preview and just wait until the effect is fully loaded, and there will be the preview of the templates that you chose. So if you like with the result, you can now just click on export, and that's basically it. That's how you can find and use the trending Wes Anderson template on CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, like, and also comment if you have any questions. Bye.